Good morning, everybody. This is your boy, the Dashboard. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Florida. And this morning we're headed out to Kingsland, Georgia for their Kingsland Cars and Coffee event. Uh, wasn't any other really big events going on today. Well, there is one, but I didn't want to trek into Jacksonville for it. Because today is Florida-Georgia game day. Or Georgia, Florida, whatever. The big game in downtown Jacksonville. So I decided I'd stay out of Jacksonville for today. Because I didn't want to fight the traffic. Anyway, so we're going to head up to Kingsland, Georgia for their Cars and Coffee. I used to go to this event a lot until my schedule got too busy. So it's going to be a return. um, but yeah, I always enjoyed going to this event because it always brought out different cars, brought out the Georgia cars. They don't come across the state line very much. So it should be a good show. I mean, it may not be, but it all depends on what people want to do today because the Florida Georgia game is a big draw. But I'm hoping that maybe they decided to go to Cars and Coffee first before they go down to the big game. So anyway, we're gonna go take some video and some pictures, and we'll see what we see. So stay tuned.
Yeah, when I bought it, man, I was like, I've seen that around town. I seen it, brother. Yep. I did. Yep. Like I will lick the can. How you doing, Dave? But he said. Get out the road, you take a bunch of back roads where you're going, they still